Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will provide you step by step that how can you install the Dev C Plus compiler in your PC or laptop. Okay, so इस वीडियो में बात करेंगे कि आप किस तरह से Dev C compiler को आप और IDE को आप इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं guys. Okay, and that are very important steps. Okay, very easy guys. Okay. So beside that, I will also provide some of the basics of the Dev C++ that I think that every student should know. Now, the question is that why should I install the Dev C++? Is only Dev C Plus compiler? No, guys. There are various platforms, or you can say various IDE available in the platform. Okay, or you can say online. But Dev C++ is one of the important compiler for the C or C++. Okay, so I think that this IDE should be inside your laptop or PC guys, because very important IDE. I think that you have very well known aware of that what is IDE. In the short, if I want to say that IDE is an integrated development environment that basically provide you the complete environment for doing coding and giving you all types of uh, basically guidance and all things. So that is important guys. Okay, so बात करते हैं किस तरह से आप इंस्टॉल करेंगे. So before moving to the video guys, अगर इस वीडियो को देखने के बाद इफ़ यू गेट समथिंग फ्रॉम वीडियो, डोंट फॉरगेट टू हिट द लाइक बटन एंड मेक श्योर टू सपोर्ट माय चैनल फॉर प्रोवाइडिंग सच इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियो. So let me start with that. So first of all, simply you have to search here the Dev C plus compiler. Okay, means Dev C plus plus download or Dev C plus plus compiler. After that, you have to select only the first, means http sourceforge.net. This is the official website. Okay, so simply you have to click on the Dev C download, not any else. Okay, just you have to click on the sourceforge.net, and after that just you have to click on the download button. Okay, so when you will click on the download button, then it will automatically start within 5 seconds, and according to your internet speed it will take some time guys, okay, for getting the download. Okay, so after completing the download, I am showing you guys.
तो
तो
देख रहे
देख
हैं
रहे हैं
भाई,
भाई
अभी
अभी
मेरा
मेरा
डाउनलोड हो
डाउनलोड
रहा
हो
है।
रहा है.
Okay?
So friends, finally our ID is successfully downloaded. Now I am showing you the complete setup that how can you set up the Dev C++. Just click on the, double click on this, and after that, do you want to allow this app to make changes? So yeah, I want to make changes. Just click on yes, and after that it will take some time to unpack the data. Okay, means for setting up that. After that, simply you have to select the language. So do nothing, just click on the English and okay. After that, you can read the all agreement and just click on the I agree. Then you have to do nothing here guys, just click on the next button. After that, if you want to change the location, then you have to just browse here and change the location. But I don't want to change the location, means automatically it will store in the C drive. Okay, and you can clearly visualize that space required just 346 MB guys. Now just click on the install button. After that, depending on your system speed, it will take some time to install that. Okay, it's extracting and all this, and it will install within seconds or within minutes it may take guys. Okay, so I am showing you that when it will basically completely install. Okay, so you can clearly visualize that my Dev C++ compiler is completely installed, and I am just running it and showing you some of the basics of Dev C++ compiler guys. So this is the environment, or you can say this is the scenario of the Dev C++ compiler. Now you have to understand the basic, that what are the basics of that. So this is the file from where you can open your file folder, okay, or import, save and all things. Then this is the edit button, that is the undo, redo and all things. Before that, let me show you that how can you create a new file. Okay, suppose I am just creating a new folder such as control N by clicking on that. After that, you can clearly visualize that file, open, save and all things. Edit, here you can edit all things. I suggest that you have to do nothing, but if you want to give the indentation, means tab button, then you can clearly give on the tab button. Okay, or from here you can search any word, means you can find and replace. Suppose I am typing some simple code, suppose hashtag include iostream. Okay, so this is again C++ code, but you can also write here here also means C code too. So suppose I am writing a simple code that is hashtag include iostream dot h. Okay, using, sorry, this is again I've already installed it. Then using namespace standard, and after that, sorry, printing mistake guys. Okay, after that you have to click just, means I'm giving just, means basic I'm showing you. just printing the hello world. Okay, so see out hello world. Suppose I have written the simple code, okay, not much more. You can say basic just code. I am giving you the complete indentation. So yeah, I have written a simple code. Then from where you can see, from first you have to compile, or you can simply do by just clicking on the F9. So just I am compiling it, and first you have to save it. Okay, so you can save in your new folder or simply default folder, you can say. Okay, so and give just any name. Suppose I am giving name hello. Okay, so I'm giving the name hello. So you can give the .c if you want the C folder, or .cpp. So suppose I'm creating the C++, then I'm just clicking on the cpp. Okay, after that just click on the save button, and it is showing that something error. So spelling error, guys, iostream stream. Okay, now I am just compiling it. So I'm seeing that what is the wrong I am doing. Okay, so I have to just click on the hashtag include IO stream, and after that, yeah, all things are fine, means compilation is successful. Then you can clearly visualize that it is showing hello world. Means you can directly click on the this button just in the compile and run, and directly it will run. But I will suggest that first you just compile it. After that, you have to click on the compile and run. So it will give you output. So this is the how you can compile your code. After that, you can also view this status bar, toolbar, tool list, okay, project, class, browser, and all things. Means if you want the toolbar, then you can clearly click on the toolbar, main, edit, search, project, and all things. Okay, this is the project button, execute. Means from here you can also run that. But I will suggest that you must follow the you can say shortcut keys such as the to compile the code F9, run F10, compile and run F11, rebuild all F12. Okay, you have to memorize this. Simply you have to practice that. After that, you can clearly visualize all the shortcuts. And these are the tools very important, such as the editor option. So if you want to edit something, such as the font, you want to change the font, then you can clearly change here from font. Okay, but I keep default. You can also change the size here. You can also give the line number, start at 0, show leading 0, visible, auto save, and all things. So these are the basic setting you can do. I don't want the setting. Okay, if you want suppose the character in different color, then you can also change the color and bold, italic, and all things according to that. And this is the snippet, that is, you can simply give your default snippet too. So these are the some basics of the Dev C++ compiler, and this is one of the important and popular compiler. That's why I am giving. So guys, this is the all setup of the Dev C++ compiler and some basics. I hope video gonna informative to you. And in the next video, I will also provide one of the topmost compiler, that is the VS Code. How can you install and all things. So I hope video gonna informative to you, and you can also suggest me that on which topics you are wanting in the next video. I will try to formulate that video as soon as possible. If you have doubt relating to anything, or if you are facing the problem, then you can also comment here. I will reply as soon as possible. So till then, bye bye. Meet you in the next video. Jai Hind.